let's cut to the chase. You've probably been scrolling through Twitter, Reddit, maybe even your crypto wallet at 2 a.m. thinking, which low-cap gem is actually worth my attention before it moons? Huh. Yeah, I've been there too.
Ha ha ha. Oh man, guilty. Nothing wakes you up faster than realizing you slept on the next 100 times while eating cereal.
Exactly. So today, we're diving deep into the best low-cap crypto to buy right now. The kind that has serious potential, but also, let's be honest, risk. Because if you're chasing moonshots, there's always a little danger, right?
Haha, danger and the thrill. I feel like we should be wearing leather jackets and riding motorcycles through this market, Ryan.
Ha ha ha, totally. But instead of motorcycles, it's charts, white papers, and, hopefully, fat gains.
Oh, I like where this is going.
All right, first things first. Let's define low cap. Most people think under $1 billion market cap, but for true moonshot potential, I'm talking 50 to 500 million. That's the sweet spot. Small enough to grow, but not so tiny that it's basically a meme token waiting to vanish.
Okay, got it. So basically, a crypto Goldilocks situation. Not too big, not too small, just right.
Exactly. Goldilocks, crypto. I love that analogy. Point 1, community strength. You can have the slickest tech in the world, but if no one's behind it, it won't go anywhere. Look at coins like Avalanche early on. Small cap, strong devs, passionate community. Boom!
So it's basically, if the Twitter, Discord, and Telegram are buzzing, that's a good sign?
Bingo. Engagement matters more than hype alone. If people are sharing memes, debating roadmap updates, building projects on it, that's traction.
Ha, so we're measuring crypto love? Got it.
Second, real-world use case. A token has to solve a problem. Look at VeChain. Supply chain, enterprise adoption, low-ish cap at the start. Now look where it is.
So basically, don't buy a coin just because it looks cool or has shiny logos. It needs actual utility.
Exactly. Utility is king. Community is queen. Together, they rule the market.
A royal family of crypto? I like it.
Haha, exactly. Mini recap. Community plus utility equals foundational strength for any low-cap coin. Third, partnerships. Who's backing it? Are there enterprise clients? Is there venture capital interest? That kind of validation can make or break a low-cap project.
So if a big player like Binance or Coinbase lists it early, or a DeFi project collaborates, that's a signal?
Exactly. And don't just look at the headline. Check the depth of the partnership. Is it marketing fluff or real tech integration?
So like a Netflix cameo versus starring in the blockbuster. Got it.
Ha 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 ha. Perfect analogy. Fourth, tokenomics. Supply, burn mechanisms, staking rewards. These matter more than most people think. A low-cap coin with a deflationary model or strong staking incentives is far more likely to retain value during dips.
So basically, how much they print matters, huh? Can't just be giving away infinite coins like candy.
Exactly. Scarcity drives value. And the math doesn't lie.
Math. My old frenemy. But I get it.
Mini recap time. Community, utility, partnerships, tokenomics. Check, 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 check.
Feeling smarter already? Maybe I should start handing out quizzes mid-podcast.
Fifth, market sentiment and timing. It's not just the project, it's when you buy. Low-cap coins are sensitive to overall crypto cycles. Buy during accumulation phases, not during hype-fueled FOMO spikes.
The classic buy when everyone's scared, sell when everyone's hyped strategy?
Exactly. Simple, but effective. And it takes patience, which we'll circle back to later. Sixth, tech innovation. Is it layer 1, layer 2, smart contracts, DeFi protocols, NFT ecosystems? A project that pushes the boundaries, even in a niche, can blow up fast if adoption starts ticking.
So, basically, be on the lookout for the next Ethereum, Solana, or Polygon before they explode.
Yes, but remember, low cap is riskier, so always diversify. 1 or 2 failures won't kill a portfolio if you've got 4 to 5 solid plays.
Portfolio insurance, got it.
Seventh, the roadmap. Ambitious, yes, but achievable. A project promising Mars and interstellar payments next year, probably smoke and mirrors. But a clear plan with milestones, audits, and community updates, that's gold.
Like planning a Netflix series. You need episodes, arcs, not just a wild cliffhanger and a blank screen.
Haha, exactly. Consistency matters.
Mini reflection here. So far, it's all about community, utility, partnerships, tokenomics, timing, tech, roadmap. That's a lot of factors, but it makes sense.
Yeah, it's a mix of art and science. You can't just guess. Eighth, liquidity and exchange availability. If a coin is so low cap that you can't actually sell it without moving the market, that's a trap. Make sure there's real liquidity and exchange support.
So you don't want to own a coin that's basically stuck in your wallet forever.
Exactly. Moonshots are useless if you can't exit.
Got it. Moon or bust, but with an escape hatch.
All right, now that we've covered the checklist, let's highlight a few promising low-cap coins currently on our radar. Remember, this isn't financial advice, just insight from our research.
Okay, my ears are ready. My wallet's slightly nervous.
Ha ha ha. Fair enough. First up, Render Token, RNDR. GPU-based rendering on decentralized networks, practical utility, growing dev adoption, and market cap still under 500 million.
Oh, so like paying artists, creators, and studios to render graphics efficiently? That's actually smart.
Exactly. Second, Hedera, HBAR. Enterprise-grade blockchain, low cap potential, real-world adoption, and strong enterprise partnerships in supply chain and healthcare.
Big corporations. Smart move. Stability meets growth.
Third, Audius, AUDIO. Decentralized music streaming, early traction with artists, still under radar for mainstream investors. Huge upside if adoption grows.
Ooh, music and crypto? My favorite combo. Can I stream and earn tokens while dancing in my living room?
Haha. Yes. Technically.
Love it. Okay, I'm taking notes. So, to recap, we're looking at coins with strong communities, real utility, validated partnerships, smart tokenomics, timing, innovative tech, solid roadmaps, and liquidity. And a few current gems like RNDR, HBAR, and AUDIO.
Yup, that's the formula. And remember, low-cap investing is high risk, but the payoff can be enormous if you do your homework.
Homework. Sounds less fun than dancing, but more profitable.
Real talk. What's your biggest low-cap crypto mistake? Bought hype, sold panic?
Mine's selling Ethereum for pizza. I still can't believe that.
Ha ha ha. Classic. And hey, we've all done it. The key is learning and being patient.
Yeah. And also, sharing these laughs with your crypto buddy helps. So patience really is the secret, huh?
In crypto, patience pays more than panic. It's not about chasing every moon. It's about understanding value, community, tech, and letting it grow.
So it's like planting a tree. Water it, nurture it, don't dig it up every day to check roots.
Perfect analogy. Crypto gardening at its finest.
All right, folks, that's a wrap for today. We've dissected low-cap gems, spilled secrets, and hopefully saved your wallets from panic selling.
Ha ha. Exactly. If nothing else, enjoy the ride, take notes, maybe buy a coffee, and let the market do its thing.
And remember, subscribe, like, or just send us your funny crypto fails. We live for those stories.
Ha ha. All right, until next time. Keep stacking, keep learning, and don't panic.
Peace out, and may your moonshots land softly.
Softly, but profitably. Ha ha ha.